Alrighty, everybody. Rinsing out another t-shirt. Which one is this again? This is the bleach only.
Whatever the second one was that we did.
It was bleach only, right? I believe.
No. Let me think. Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Bleach only.
The third one was the
custom color remover.
Yeah, that I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one that worked the best. Yep. This one had the deeper colors. Remember the purple and green and orange, golden yellow. Nice spiral. It's the Dare, I believe, isn't it?
We really did these shirts to see which technique would be best for removing color.
Yeah.
So that's why it's just sort of like a typical, I guess I could say, rainbow spiral. We were more trying to figure out what's the best technique we need to use to do reverse tie-dyeing.
Yep.
We have a bunch of like black graphic t-shirts, but you know, we've discovered that
to the inside.
Yeah, to the inside. They're using bleach. Sometimes it destroyed our shirt.
Yep. Okay, this one's gonna come out pretty good too. For an experiment, I would say so far, it doesn't look too bad. We weren't expecting much out of all of these. We do have a bunch more white shirts on the way. We have more white shirts now, but we wanted to figure something to do with all these black shirts, so we have quite a few.
Because we've been sitting on those black shirts for longer than we've been sitting on those white shirts.
Yeah, a hot minute, and they're
sort of taking up space.
Yeah. We don't want to do just a regular reverse bleach dye type deal.
Okay, so when we started out, the plan was to take black graphic tees, reverse dye them, and that be like a major item that we sold. But then once we started ordering more colors, we already had white shirts, and I thought, you know, I think this pattern would look good in these colors, and then that would go from one t-shirt to the next, and then we just never got back to all those
reverse tie-dye.
Right, those black graphic shirts that we ordered in the very, very, very beginning. That was like one of the first things we ordered.
It was, and they sold decently well too. Like, we sold a few of them. What do we have? What we got? What we got? Ooh, look at that. It's got a good little transition. Look at that. Into the blue, to the green. Oh yeah, to the yellow, the orange, and the red. Yeah, buddy. That does look pretty good. I think so.
A little purple down at the very, very bottom.
Yep. Yep. That looks good to me. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that actually came out really good. We weren't too sure how this one was going to turn out. We were kind of worried about it, but yeah, actually came out all right. This was our bleach only reverse tie-dye.
and it actually got some pretty good coloring to it. We did let this one sit a little bit longer, and it definitely paid off. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below. Probably the last reverses we're gonna do for a few weeks. We just got a new order of shirts in, so we will be doing more standard tie-dyes here coming up, but let us know what of those you'd like to see. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.